Hello my amazing people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I will be showing you how to make a very delicious mashed potato. You can call it puree in French. These are the ingredients I'll be needing for this puree recipe, mashed potatoes recipe. Okay, I have right here the main ingredients, the potatoes right in here. Here I have milk, I have liquid milk right in here. Here I have liquid cream. I have one egg right in here, one large egg. I have melted butter right in here. Right in here, I have salt and I have spring onion. Okay, guys, watch me as I prepare this delicious recipe. Here I have, just have to put it off right here. This way, just peel up the potato this way. Make sure you peel off the skin very well. Okay, of the potato. Peel it off like this, guys. You can see that. Thank you people for watching my recipe, for your great support. I really do appreciate your lovely comments. Thank you all. I do appreciate, guys. God bless you all and keep watching my recipe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe to see, press the bell notification to see more of my recipes. Share my videos with friends and families. Watch and enjoy my recipe and get inspired. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done peeling off the potato. Now I just have to wash it. Now the potato is wet washed. Okay, it's washed. Now I just have to dice the potato into some shape. Okay, I'm cutting into this smaller size to enable it to cook very fast, quickly. Okay, you can decide to cut it into some bigger shape if you want. So I'm cutting mine into some smaller shape. Okay, I just need about 6 minutes to cook the potato. Just cut it into some cube size. liquid cream. Okay guys, add some liquid cream, melted butter, the egg. Okay, just break it, take off the whites. Okay, then add the yolk and add the meat, then mix it properly, very well. Right now guys. Okay, now I will be cooking it again. Okay guys, after mixing out the whole potato, so I will be putting it inside this hot pot. Okay, I just have to turn it, recook it one more time. Okay, like 3 or 4 minutes right in here. Turn it right in here. Okay, and after it will be done. Okay guys, we just cook it again so that the egg and the milk and the cream, okay, can fully cook and when mixed have more taste. Okay, to give you that taste that it wants. Very, very good guys, very good. See, we are done. Okay guys, this is the puree guys. Okay, the puree. Okay guys, you can see guys, very delicious. Okay, I will just garnishing up with some spicy guys. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to on the bell notification so that anytime I have a new upload, you'll be notified. See you guys on my next post and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.